Hey guys, welcome back to the Challenge Shack. Sorry it's been so long since my last video. I've been waiting for Cameron, who is actually not here. We were going to eat cat food. Um, Other than that, I didn't have any other challenges, but I thought of one. Since I didn't eat the Trinidad scorpion pepper, and I only mixed it in with the Carolina Reaper and the ghost pepper into a smoothie. I'm going to be eating it now, but that's not it. I am also going to finish the crickets. There's some in there. So, you can kind of see them. And I'm going to finish the larvettes. While my tongue's on fire, I have a cup of water, as always, just to help get the pepper down. Also, the water is not to help get the bugs down. I have to try to eat the bugs with no help while my tongue is on fire. I also have some milk, which I'm going to try not to drink, because with doing these pepper challenges, I've actually kind of built up a tolerance to spicy foods. As I've always said, I don't like spicy foods, but I actually went out and bought Flaming Hot Cheetos to see what it would be like, and it just tasted like a normal Cheeto to me. I also have hot Doritos over there that I eat. And I've had those kinds of things before, and they were too hot for me. So, I guess let's get this over with. I don't like that one. I'm going to eat a small one, just so that it's a little more fair for me, because I have to eat bugs too. What was I about to do? Oh yeah, I want to take these out of their packages. Oh Jesus, they're falling all over the place. Hold on, I gotta clean these up. There's a lot of these. There's very few crickets. You know what? I'm not going to finish them. I'm just going to eat one cricket and a couple larvettes. Because I don't even know if I'm going to be able to do one of either thing. Okay. Pepper. Water. Trinidad scorpion. There we go. Ugh. It tastes so gross. Try to get a big one. Ugh. Okay, it's down. I'm gonna have some water. Couple larvettes. There's two of them. Alright. They're down. I'm not using the water to help them down. I'm using the water to help keep them down. Alright, I think I need the milk. This isn't a challenge to see how long I can go without dairy this time. Alright, nice little challenge for you guys. See you next time.